Number one mistake moving owners make is they quit and they get out of the game. It's the number one mistake. Too many people think that the work's going to be half as much. They think that they're 2 times smarter than everyone else. They think their marketing is way better. They overcalculate and overestimate their own abilities, and they're not really willing to do the hard work, train, be disciplined, and be consistent. The number one thing you can do is not quit. Stay in the game. Stay in the moving game. Because if you just don't quit and you buy into, I'm going to dissolve and take out everybody else, I'm going to last longer, I'm going to go longer, I'm going to do one more rep than everybody else every single day, there's no way you don't win. So the automatic way to win is to 100% down to your core, decide to not quit. So many people want to sell early, they want to get out, they want to pass it off, they want to delegate themselves completely out of the business. And I'm just here to tell you, like, most of you are just not anywhere close to that. You're just not anywhere close. The best thing I can tell you is just don't quit.